Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your ghost platform happy. First, focus on creating exceptional content. Aim for articles that are both informative and engaging, providing real value to your audience. Consistency is key. Try to publish at least one new post every week to keep your readers coming back. Remember, a well-written piece can attract thousands of new visitors. Next, let's talk about speed, a crucial factor for a happy ghost. Ensure all your images are properly optimized, reducing file sizes by up to 70% without losing quality. Implement caching to deliver content almost instantly to returning users. A fast website keeps visitors on your page longer, improving overall user experience and search engine rankings. To truly make your ghost happy, engage with your audience. Respond to comments and create a vibrant community around your content. Offer a newsletter, a powerful tool for direct communication, reaching hundreds or even thousands of subscribers. Share your articles on social media to expand your reach and attract new readers to your valuable insights. Finally, maintaining a secure and updated ghost platform is paramount. Always keep your ghost core and any installed themes or integrations updated to the latest versions, patching potential vulnerabilities. Schedule weekly backups of your entire site, ensuring your hard work is safe. Strong passwords, at least 12 characters long, are your first line of defense against unauthorized access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.